guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a PC in Bloxburg. So let me show you. Okay, so we're gonna start by getting a desk, any desk you want really. I recommend like a straight one, like not the ones with the curves on it. So place that down. Now we are gonna go get a TV. I use this one because it's cheap, but I think you can use like any of them. Then we have to use a basic shape and size it down to like where the TV, so that we hide the stands at the bottom. Oh yeah, also make sure that the basic shape is the same size, length as the desk. You should be able to just colour it whatever you want, but I think white works the best, and make sure I think it looks the best when it's like a smooth plastic colour, so not like wood or anything else. Now we're gonna get a smooth cylinder for the mouse and gotta resize it to around this size. I'm gonna do, yeah, around that size, and then we're gonna place it on the desk and then color it black like the PC mouse. And then we're gonna get a placemat to look like the keyboard. You could probably use something else for this as well, but couldn't find anything else that looks near enough as that. And then color it black. Now we're gonna get some string so it looks like the computer wires, so that nothing's not connected. And finally, we're just gonna add a chair, little gaming office chair kind of thing. Don't mind my bush farm there. And then yeah, here you have it. Computer, realistic computer. So yeah. If you like this and you want to see me do more of these hack type things, just subscribe to the channel and like the video so that I know you like it.